From come and you are driving a tired.
Come like you lick your head, you know.
Give me your life. Hey, wagwan, konnichiwa, ogenki desu ka? What's up, my people? Alright, so you've heard a lot of us from Jamaica talk about how different it is to live in Japan. It is very, very different. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the differences. I'm going to talk about the things about that are important to Jamaicans. Let me pass the money first. Yeah, because I know I'm a Jamaican, so I can only speak from a Jamaican perspective, but some of these things apply to other parts of the world. But you know, as Jamaicans, we appreciate our food. So I'm going to talk about the food lifestyle. I'm going to talk about the rules and regulation. I'm going to talk about religion. Kind of in Jamaica, even if we don't really baptize and them something there, we love go church. Ew. First, Missy do up on the road. And I'm also going to talk about a little bit of social life. Beach is important to us, so I'm going to talk about the beaches, what you can expect when you come to Japan. And there are some videos I have, like I don't go clubs and stuff, so I don't have much information on that. But there's a video of me in a nightlife situation, and it gives you a little idea of how crazy. Oh, she come down for Mr. Hard. I'm up on the left hand side, up on my right, on my side. Lady, me know my rights. I go up on the main road, so I'm gonna come off my phone. Yeah, as I was saying before, we were rudely interrupted. Talk about how crazy these people who are deemed to be shy can be, especially when they're drunk, especially when they see foreigners. Oh, my breathe so hard. My bicycle need ear, man. To make me work harder, but tone up my legs is it. I'm also going to talk about how daunting it can be doing business here when the communication gap. If it should take like 20 minutes, it usually take maybe 2 hours. I'm not exaggerating. Jamaicans living here, true matter, don't it? So my show on the door. Bank, I'm going now. I need bank book. Japan, I do business at the bank. I need bank book. I have to go home back for the bank book. I need my bank book. I do business at Japan and we need the bank book, so I boom bang quick and fast for forward back before they close. They make sure tell me say they close 4 o'clock last time. I go them deal with me till a little bit after 4. That's another thing with them. They ramp with time, you know. I'm gonna help me on the right. This is quite difficult. Hey, Jesus. Struggle.
ここがお通帳
I've got to see. Whoa, wonder what the sea is gonna be like. Anyways, let's see. As a matter of fact, see when you reach down there, so just let me get a little drive. From come and you are driving a tired.
Come like you lick your head, you know. You forget how you're there? Japan, you know.
So me have a Jamaican driver's license, you know?
No. If a police stop us, the color of our skin alone I go draw attention.
Girl, we know how we do our thing. We can, you know?
You know work so
talk way outside properly and so forth.
You know work so sis.
But nobody watch out. Look on the road here. Nobody not really up on the road here, you know. So police are go there around here, so.
My cousin always say puss and dog don't have the same luck and me a puss. So you see?
How we are called dog?
Me not take that chance there. You have to have a Japanese
You're too Freddy, man.
license. Not the international license, a Japanese license. If your international license is expired, you have to get a Japanese license.
No,
I just
expire
so
with people who stay so because we are Jamaicans and we know the thing. If look around here, so no police dog around here.
I can't let you out, you know. I can't walk, you know.
Okay,
Nah, let you out, man. But I just saw you going to Japan. But them say when in Rome you do what the Romans do.
I'm full of rules still, so
It's
you know.
true. You're full of rules for true, but
We can't give them the money.
Is that like I think so.
We can't talk away outside. It's
We
either
can't.
black or white.
Yeah. That's true,
Alright,
man.
sis, me understand.
We can't do like we do in Jamaica. We can't try cheat the system.
Yeah.
So if we get caught, we have to go just pay the consequences. There's no going around it.
Yeah, they really reinforce the rules.
Yeah. I have to give them props for that. We're not too like it, you know, but
Yeah.
I mean it helps the country run smoothly. So we have to
True.
give them props for it.
True.
Yeah, man.
I understand. Alright, when I reach on this address.
Go on, sir. Yes, sir. I'm seeing a look. The beach them in Japan though appealing to me.
Let me say it go, I'm excited. I love pool of water, body of water, I love it. So, woo! Let's go. Ikimasho! We reached it. So this look like real sun.
That's a sign. That's a sign.
Not bad. Let's see what's ahead. All dog come a beach. That's how it looks from afar. People there, man. People are here swimming. In the beach setting. People have them camp. Look at this.
It's a part of
Sivani says this is the end of Japan because there is nothing beyond the sea. Not bad. It's not. Unfortunately, I'm not going in today. So I can't tell you if it's hot or cold. But the sand is warm though. Let me see. A little bit coarser than we're used to, but it's soft. Really not bad. And as you can see, we have people on the beach with their dogs and swimming and stuff. So I would I thought I was gonna be disappointed, but I would come to this. Real beach, it's a real beach. Lucky. Like that strong. I never check if we get everything.
It's like this feeling, if I'm to describe this feeling, it's like this sinking feeling. In fact, I can't remember the last time I felt this bad. I think I'm going through. Why is it so hard?
I just wanna say, hey. In 300 meters, turn left.
Yeah. Woo. So if you like this, just watch it to the end and give me a little like. If you like the video, like it, no? I like, man. To be honest, I really feel churchish today. Like from yesterday, I was saying to myself, like, you know, I felt like I would go to church. Today is Sunday, but it feels like a normal day in Japan. Like everybody just doing their own business, even dress up in jackets going to work, you know feel that Sunday atmosphere. and the churches are like non-existent. You'll find like Buddhist shrines. I mean, I was blessed to find 3 different churches since I came here, and then that's it. I haven't seen any around my new area, but I haven't really searched because you know what's going on, the world, place lockdown. Luckily we can do stuff online, but you know, if you're depending on church, you're gonna lose your way because it's almost non-existent. When you come to Japan, make sure you have a personal relationship with God. Just make sure of that, because you won't find the churches so easily. To find somebody who said they're a Christian is like a rare thing. Yeah, going to church here is like finding $1 million. Boom bang, me a boom bang quick and fast. So let's get. Wait.